welcome to another video. So today I have a couple of different loops or holders for the AirTag, for the Apple AirTag. So I made a video unboxing the AirTags a month or two back, and I had advised against purchasing the Apple branded AirTag loops or holders. These are two different ones that I bought off of Amazon. I believe this is a 4-pack, and this, who knows how many. I think this is also 4 pieces. This one looks more like a Apple box, but since they put shoved 4 into this, you don't see that there's none in the center here. Anyways, let's see. It kind of shows you how to use it in the back here, and it just says loop for AirTag. There's not even a branding on it, but I'll leave the links to Amazon, to the products from Amazon below. There are 2 different colors in this. There's a navy and black. Let's take them off, and there we go. There's one navy. It's a soft touch silicone. Yeah, it's not gonna scratch up the AirTag or any other products you may be using in your keys or purse if you're using it in a purse. It's a pretty soft touch. Let's see how it slides in here. So slides in pretty easily, fits it pretty much perfectly. There you go. And let's see how you're supposed to loop it. So you pretty much just loop this through whatever you're hanging it on, and there you go. That's how it looks pretty sleek actually. Let's try it on the navy. We'll just slide it through like so. Close it here. Loop it through the hole here. And there you go. That's your AirTag in a loop for AirTag. Let's try the other ones. These just came in like a Amazon bubble wrap bag, and these just thrown in there. Whoa, I was not expecting this screen protector thing. Alright, I don't know why you would need a screen protector, but I'm guessing it's to protect the shiny side of the AirTag. And let me just wipe it off here. And yeah, so I think it's to protect this side from scratches. Not sure why you would want to protect that side from scratches, but if you want, there you go. You have a way to do it. I guess I'll go ahead, and since I have it, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. Okay, let's see. We'll wipe it with a wet wipe, and we'll wipe it with this dry wipe. I've never used this one, but it already has some scratches just from like kind of having it lay around here. So okay, so this thing comes off first. Then this thing kind of sits on this. There you go. Alright, well, obviously didn't put in a lot of effort into placing this perfectly, but there you go. Got a couple of bubbles in there, but doesn't really matter. This is how you would place it. You probably do a better job by not getting your fingerprints on the sticky side, etc. Anyways, so yeah, I mean, I can see why you would do it. It'll protect it against scratches and all that. But it's a $20 item. I'm not sure if I would spend a lot of money trying to get screen protectors. It just came free with these keychain holders, so I kind of Didn't even realize I was buying the screen protector with it. That's nice of them. All right, let's open them up and see what it looks like. So this is a pink one, soft touch silicone material. I'm guessing it just kind of slides in there. Yep. There you go. Fits pretty snugly. It's not gonna fall out. Let's open them all up. There is a black one. There is a brown one. I guess if you have a brown purse or something to go with, or a brown wallet or wristlet or something. And then a translucent slash white one. So let's pop it into the white one, see what it looks like in there. There you go. There you go. That's the black one. And then this is the brown one. So you can put them on. Of course, you want to align the Apple logo with the keychain there. There you go. And then these are nice little hooks here, so you kind of just pop whatever you want in there. Easy to kind of put your keys in there. So I like the type of keyring they gave you. This is an easy to use keyring rather than those ones that you have to like slide things in by widening it. So yeah, I honestly, I find these better than these just because these have this kind of weird rubber connector and makes it more bulky. I think the ones with the key ring are more sleek appearing. I like this color in particular. This is a very neutral color. Can be used by men or women. So I'll probably put this on my wife's keyring because I have a tile on my keys. So we can use this on her keys. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one.